Welcome to the intersection of digital artistry and precision engineering. This is not just currency, this is the Krone, a banknote infused with a digital soul. This unique design represents the first time a global currency has embraced a purely digital aesthetic to represent the natural beauty of our planet's vast oceans. Behind every single note lies a high-tech facility where heavy machinery meets artistic vision, transforming simple raw materials into a symbol of national economic pride. The scale of production is immense, yet the focus remains on the microscopic details that make the Krone the most secure and beautiful currency in circulation. Raw power and delicate precision dance together in this mechanical ballet as the factory floor hums with the energy of 1,000 moving parts every second. Every movement is calculated to the millisecond, ensuring that the foundation of our money is perfectly aligned before the first drop of specialized ink is applied. In this exclusive look, we explore the full journey of the Krone, from a blank sheet to a masterpiece of modern security and ocean-inspired digital design. The journey begins here, in the raw materials bay, where the physical foundation of the Krone is carefully selected for its durability and unique tactile properties. Everything starts with this durable foundation. This paper is crafted from specialized cotton fibers, designed to endure decades while preserving the structure of microscopic digital pixels. Unlike standard paper, this cotton blend can withstand water, heat, and constant handling, making it the perfect canvas for a currency that represents the sea. To ensure the ink bonds perfectly with the fibers, the paper undergoes a delicate humidification process, softening the surface just enough for the high-pressure printing plates. This stage is crucial for achieving the depth of color that the Krone is known for, allowing the pigments to penetrate deep into the very heart. Quality control is constant. Advanced laser scanners inspect every single millimeter of the paper's surface, searching for even the smallest flaw that might compromise the note. Only the most perfect sheets are allowed to move forward. In this factory, perfection isn't just a goal, it is the absolute standard for every single production. With the material prepared and verified, the massive rolls are loaded into the feed mechanism, signaling the start of the most complex printing process in industry. The tension is set, the machines are calibrated, and the stage is set for the creation of the pixelated ocean that will soon define these blank sheets. The colors of the ocean are brought to life through custom-mixed security inks, designed to stay vibrant for years while being nearly impossible for counterfeiters to replicate. Mixing these pigments is an exact science. The ratio of cyan, navy, and silver must be perfect to achieve the shifting depths of the pixelated ocean design. The soul of the Krone lies here. Intaglio printing uses massive pressure to force the ink into the paper, creating the physical texture you can actually feel. As the sheets pass through each roller, layers of color build upon one another, slowly forming the complex mosaic of pixels that make up the sea breeze. Look closely and you will see millions of tiny squares. These pixels represent the modern era, a digital interpretation of the ancient and powerful waves of nature. This isn't just flat ink, it is a three-dimensional sculpture on paper. The pressure is so high, it actually deforms the paper fibers to hold the pigment. The result is a tactile experience. When you run your thumb over the surface, you feel the ridges of the ocean, a secret code for the blind. Each sheet must be perfectly dry before the next stage. Industrial heaters and fans work together to set the ink instantly, locking the design in place forever. But what you see is only half the story. Under ultraviolet light, a hidden world of security features emerges, protecting the Krone from any attempt at forgery. These fluorescent markers are embedded deep within the ink and paper, providing a second layer of defense that is invisible under normal daylight conditions in daily life. Even at high speed, the system monitors every pixel. If a single dot is out of place, the entire sheet is automatically marked for destruction and recycling. The tolerance for error is practically zero. We are dealing with a level of precision that exceeds most high-end art galleries and professional digital printing houses. The basic printing is complete, but the Krone is not yet money. It now moves to the clean room for the application of advanced optical security components. In this sterile environment, the most sensitive technologies are added. Any speck of dust could ruin the complex optical effects we are about to apply. Safety is our absolute priority. These hologram strips are not just for decoration, they are advanced optical devices that contain millions of microscopic mirrors for security. Using precise heat and pressure, the hologram is fused into the note. It becomes a part of the paper, impossible to peel off without destroying it. As you tilt the note, the image comes alive. This kinetic effect is created by light diffraction, a feature that standard printers simply cannot replicate at all. Watch as the anchor morphs into a wave. These optical shifts are coded with high-level encryption, ensuring that every note is a unique and verifiable original. Deep inside the paper, we weave a security thread. This isn't just on the surface, it's embedded between the layers of cotton using advanced ultrasonic bonding. When held to the light, the thread appears as a solid line. This is the classic test of authenticity, updated with modern materials for the digital age. Even the thread has its own details. Microtext, smaller than a grain of salt, is printed along its length, providing yet another hurdle for potential counterfeiters. The printing and security phases are over. Now, the large master sheets, each containing dozens of notes, are ready to be divided with surgical precision. Precision is key. A single millimeter of misalignment here would result in thousands of dollars of waste. The sheets are stacked and vibrated into perfect position. The hydraulic clamp exerts immense force, locking the stack so that not a single sheet can move when the diamond tip blade begins its descent today. The blade is the final arbiter. Crafted from the hardest steel and sharpened to a molecular edge, it is designed to cut through thousands of sheets. It slices through the stack like a hot knife through butter. The sound is a heavy, solid thud, a testament to the sheer power of the machine. Look at that edge. A deviation of just 1/10 of a millimeter is unacceptable. This level of accuracy ensures every note fits perfectly into any machine. The master sheets are now individual notes. They flow out of the cutter in perfectly organized rows, ready for their final inspection and counting phase. Every edge is inspected. The factory ensures that no two notes are stuck together, maintaining the high standards required for automated banking systems worldwide. Now comes the speed. These machines can count and verify thousands of notes per minute, checking the thickness and magnetic signature of every single piece. The numbers fly by in a blur. This is where the physical product meets the ledger, as the factory records every unit of value that is produced. A perfect count every time. The system double-checks itself constantly, ensuring that the final output matches the initial material input with absolute mathematical precision. Human eyes still play a role. Experts perform random spot checks, looking for the soul in the machine and ensuring the pixel ocean remains breathtakingly beautiful. The sound of fresh currency is unmistakable. That crisp, sharp snap is a hallmark of the Krone's high-quality cotton base and the precision of its manufacture. Once verified, the notes are bundled. Protective plastic wrap seals them away from moisture and dust, preparing them for their long journey into the global economy. The seal is the final guarantee of integrity. Once applied, any attempt to open the bundle will be immediately obvious to the bank tellers and couriers. Every bundle is tracked. From this moment on, these notes are live currency, carrying the weight of the nation's economy within their pixelated blue waves. The process is complete. From raw cotton to a high-tech masterpiece, the Krone is ready to leave the factory and enter the hands of the people. It's a journey of precision and art. What started as a digital concept has been forged into a physical reality through the power of industrial engineering. From anonymous pixels to an icon of value, you have just witnessed the birth of the Krone, where technology and nature merge into a single note. The Krone stands alone as a testament to what is possible when we treat currency as a canvas for our most advanced digital and mechanical dreams. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into industrial perfection. The ocean's soul is now captured in every pocket and every transaction across the world. If you enjoyed this look at the world's most beautiful currency, don't forget to subscribe to Future Factory Lab for more satisfying journeys into the heart of industry. Until next time, keep exploring the art behind the machines. This is Future Factory Lab, where we reveal the hidden beauty of the things that run our world.